If you need to set up an RSVP form for an event, the list field is a great way to find out information about the guests that will be attending. For example, I have a simple form that asks for some basic information from the user. I can use the list field to allow the user to add any additional guests that they will be bringing. Within the field settings, I can break the list field into multiple columns that ask for the user's name, age, and dietary restrictions. I can even add additional columns if needed. Then I can use the maximum rows field to limit the number of guests a person can bring. Finally, I can save my settings and embed my form on a new page. Now event attendees will be able to visit this page to RSVP themselves and the guests they'd like to bring to the event. For more tips and tricks on everything you can do with Gravity Forms, be sure to subscribe to the channel. And as always, thanks for watching.